In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Moodle using your Google account quickly and effortlessly. So let's dive right in and make this process smooth and straightforward for you. To start, open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you like to use regularly. Once you're all set, type in the URL moodle.org into the address bar. Hit enter, and you'll be taken to Moodle's homepage. Now, if you look towards the upper right-hand corner of the page, you should see a login button. Give that a click, and it'll direct you to the login page. Now that you're on the login page, you'll notice several options available for logging in. Among these, you'll find an option to log in using various services, including Google. What you want to do here is click on the Google option. This will essentially give you the ability to sign in with your Google account credentials, which is often quicker if you're already using Google services. Once you've clicked the Google button, a window will pop up displaying all the Google accounts you're currently logged into on your browser. If you see the account you want to use for Moodle, simply click on it to proceed. If not, you'll need to sign into your desired Google account. You'll do this by entering your Google email address and password when prompted. Remember, it's important to ensure that you're selecting the right Google account, especially if you manage multiple accounts, to avoid any confusion. After you've selected your account or logged in successfully, Moodle will take a moment to authenticate your Google credentials. Once everything checks out, you'll be redirected back to Moodle, now logged in with your Google account. You should see your dashboard or whatever the landing page is set for your specific Moodle account. Now, wasn't that easy? This method not only saves you time, but also securely connects your Google account to Moodle, ensuring a seamless login experience. Plus, once logged in, your session might remain active for a while, depending on Moodle settings, so you won't have to repeat this process every time. And that wraps up our quick method for logging into Moodle using a Google account. Hopefully, this guide has been clear and helpful for you. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to check out additional resources or consult Moodle support for more detailed assistance. Thanks for watching and enjoy your seamless logging experience on Moodle.